Hey, my name is Roos. I've been doing yoga for nearly 20 years and I've been teaching for the past 10. I'm a full-time yoga teacher in Holland and abroad today. I make videos every Wednesday. If you want to learn more about yoga, body positivity and adventuring, definitely check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel below. In today's video, I want to share with you a sequence that's perfect for travelers. I've traveled a lot and I've noticed I don't always have my mat or a soft ground or a warm ground. And I love to create yoga sequences that warm up my body, but don't freeze my feet or let me touch the dirt and everything. So this sequence is perfect for you if you just have a short amount of time to wake yourself up without getting dirty or getting cold. Grab your mat and let's go. In today's video, I want to share with you a sequence for travelers. When you feel like doing some yoga to wake up your body or maybe to stretch after a long plane ride, then these exercises are really nice. As you can see, I'm abroad right now as well. I am in beautiful Datça in Turkey. I've been teaching on a yoga cruise. That was amazing, such a good experience. And I got up extra early for you this morning to record this video. Start standing in mountain pose Tadasana, feet hips distance. Activate your legs by pushing the ball of your foot into the ground and then lift up your kneecaps to activate the legs more. This should really help to activate the core and the glutes as well. Pull the belly in a little bit more, make your spine long, pull your ribs in, close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes. We'll start by lengthening, bring the arms up, inhale fully. Lengthen more, exhale. Inhale, lift your left arm up. Exhale, switch. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale. Once more on each side. On the inhale, you lengthen, reach up. On the exhale, you bring the arm back down. Last one. And down. Bring the arms down. Make circles with your shoulders. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend a little bit backwards. Keep your chin a little bit more into your chest and your belly engaged so that you can feel the opening in your upper part of the spine. As if you're just waking up, stretching back. And then on the next exhale, fold forward. From the hips, bend the knees a little bit. Bring your chin to your chest so your whole spine is rounded. Stay here, sway left to right with your upper body. If you want to make the feet a little bit wider, you can. And if your hands are touching the ground, grab opposite elbows. Let everything hang, including your head. Whatever you hear or have going on at the moment or think, give it no attention for this short class. Bring your feet back to hips distance. Fingertips underneath you on the ground, or if you cannot reach the ground, hands on your shins, just below the knees. Inhale, lengthen halfway. Make your spine long. And feel the hamstrings stretching more. Really stick out your booty. And pull your shoulders back towards the spine. So you're really feeling that stretch on the whole backside of the body. Now place your right fingertips on the ground or on your shin. And open your left arm. Look up and follow your fingers with your gaze. Twist your spine. Slowly bring it back. Switch sides. Inhale is open. Exhale is back. Once more on each side. Inhale. And exhale. Last one. Bend your knees. Place your hands on your kneecaps with your fingers pointing inwards. Feet a little bit wider so you're standing strongly. On the exhale, round your spine. This is just cat-cow, only the standing variation. Round chin to chest. Inhale, slowly hollow. A few more of those. Exhale, round. Inhale, hollow. Hey, good morning. Hey, puppy. You want to do yoga with us? Hey. You can be distracted by whatever happens as long as you keep moving your spine. You're adorable. Hey, you want to be petted? Okay. Hopefully you have less distractions than I do. Or maybe you do have a pet and it's coming to help you focus. Yeah, you're adorable. You're beautiful. Yes. Last one. Ending with a rounded spine. And then come back up to standing. Step your right foot back. Bend your left leg into a high lunge. Keep your knee off the ground so that you don't hurt your knee on wherever you are. For me, it's really cold stones on the docks of Dacha. Bend your front knee so you're coming down quite low. And then pull your belly in. So really find that engagement in your core. You're pulling it in. So you'll feel the stretch on your front of your right hip. When you feel solid, bring your arms up. Close your eyes. And imagine your feet wanting to move towards each other, as if they are magnets and they're pulling towards each other. This should really activate the inside of your legs. So the hamstrings of the front leg and the adductors in the front of your back leg. One more breath here. Inhale. Exhale, straighten your front leg and fold forward. Step your back foot back a little bit. And fold over your leg so you'll start to feel the hamstring stretch. Forehead towards your shin. Imagine pulling your left hip backwards. So you really start to feel that stretch in your hamstrings, in your calf maybe even. If you want to engage the calf more, pull your toes up towards you so you really feel only weight in the heel. And you'll really feel the whole back of the front leg stretching. Bring it back down. Step it forward and switch sides. Step your left foot back, right foot forward, bend the front knee. Back foot is on the ball of the foot. Bend the knee deep, engage your belly. And really pull in the belly so you're not making a hollow spine. You're pulling it in. That should start to stretch your front of your left hip. When that feels good, bring your arms up overhead. And imagine the legs moving towards each other, magnetizing towards each other. So you feel more engagement in your front hamstring and your back front of the leg. Back hip flexors. Keep breathing, maybe deepening a little bit on the exhale. Pulling the belly in all the time. Inhale, look up. Exhale, straighten your front leg. Step your back foot back a little bit. So both feet are flat on the ground. And then fold over your front leg. Chin to chest. Forehead towards your shin. If you need blocks here, you can use them. Remember pulling your right hip back. So you're really stretching the back of the front leg. If you're lucky like me, you have a foot warmer in the form of a stray dog. Yeah, you're doing great. A big part of yoga is going with the flow. And I love it when there are stray animals that I can give some love while I'm here. Next inhale, slowly look up. Step it forward. We're going to end with one hip opener. Bring your weight onto your right foot. Bend your left leg and place your left ankle on top of your right knee. Bend the right knee so it actually has something to lean on. And find your balance. It helps to look at a solid point in front of you. Bring your hands in front of your heart. And then stick your butt out. This is like pigeon, only standing variation. Stick your butt out and back until you start to feel the left hip stretching. Maybe bringing the knee a little bit more towards the ground if you need to feel a little bit more. Keep the top foot flexed. You probably can't see this right now because there's a puppy in the way. But flex the front foot. Puppy, can you move a little bit? Take a few more breaths here. Hold your balance. And release. Shake out the standing leg. That's pretty intense for that one. And then switch sides. Good, puppy. Good. Sit. Bring your right ankle on top of your left knee. Bend your left knee and flex your right foot. Let the knee come down towards the ground so you start to feel the stretch in your right hip and your glute. Bring your hands in front of your heart. Don't fold too much forward with your upper body. Really sink it low. Really sink the hips low, but keep the upper body upright. If you feel like you're wobbling, push your hands into each other. That will really help to balance you out. And of course, look at one solid point. One more breath. And release. Ooh. Shake out the legs. One last exercise for the spine. Just shaking out the arms first. This is the easiest yoga ever if you're in a small space or if you're just wanting to wake up really quickly. Twist the spine as the sun rises. Stand in your mountain pose. Reach your right arm up. Inhale. Exhale, fold over to the left. So you're stretching your whole side body. Inhale up. Switching sides. Exhale over. Two more on each side. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Let your arms come down. Close your eyes for a moment. Find your breath, your contact with the earth, wherever you are today. Can you appreciate that location, the earth, the qualities of this place? feeling grateful to wherever you are, to whatever options, whatever possibilities were offered to you or you created for yourself to travel and experience more than just what you are already familiar with. Bring your hands in front of your heart. Inhale fully. Exhale. Bow your head to your hands. Namaste, yogis. Lift up your head, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know what you think about this video and what other content you would like to see. As you can see, the sun has come up all the way, so it's time for me to start my day. I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye, guys. When there are stray animals, maybe give them some water in hot countries. If you have leftover water bottles because you need to buy water there, they don't have clean drinking water. A trick I learned was to cut off part of the bottom of your drinking bottle and then put that out in a central place where you know there are stray animals. Put some water in it so they have something to drink. And of course, make sure it doesn't blow into the ocean. So I always did this on car parks right next to a bin so that when it's empty, someone else can either refill it or throw it away. But just something to think about. Puppy, can you move a little bit to the side? Come here. Nope, not moving. Sunrise yoga.